Hi, it's Tracy for the October 12th edition of the Winnipeg Real Estate News. We're here overlooking the four corners of Wellington Crescent and Academy Road. We have a great article all about the history of this infamous corner in this week's Real Estate News. The featured neighborhood is southwest and southeast Winnipeg, including Charleswood, St. Vital, Fort Garry, Bridgewater, and St. Boniface, with many properties to choose from. We know the colder weather is approaching, so you'll want to check the tips and tricks from our autumn home maintenance checklist. With 2.5 weeks away from the 2018 Civic Election, the Real Estate News has continuing coverage of the candidates and their views on the local real estate market, home ownership, and the economic growth of Winnipeg. Don't forget that we have Winnipeg's only open house guide, plus with hundreds of listings in every issue, make sure to talk to your realtor about finding your home. Pick us up at one of hundreds of locations in and around the city, or view us online at winnipegrealestatenews.com. Have a great weekend, everyone, and stay warm.